Hey guys!
Hey guys! Okay, kasama tayo sa Hey guys!
Today we are going to... Where are we going?
Villa Escudero.
Villa Escudero. And I'm with my office mate, Ann Curtis. Hey guys!
We're finally here!
We're finally here
Hey guys!
at Villa Escudero.
So where's the waterfalls? I think
And right now we're going to the waterfalls to have lunch. Finished eating our lunch and we're just resting right now. So this is how the dining area looks like. So ngayon lahat ng tao nagpipictorial na sa falls. See that? Yun yung falls. Next we're going to visit the museum and watch a cultural show. Okay, this is the museum. Yan siya, mukha siyang church. Pero museum siya. Where's Ann? Ann!
Kung hindi hineneng, kung hindi naku, kailayo sa piling. Malayo may malapit din, hiling ko ring mararating. Huwag lamang masabi mo, di kita ginigil.
So here's Ann Curtis taking a picture. Yes, we're going bamboo rafting. And then yung, ayun nga pala si Ann Curtis. Ann Curtis! Say hi! is a recap of our field trip with my office mates. So we went to Villa Escudero and we drove for 3 hours from Manila. Entrance fee is 1,600. That's inclusive of buffet at the waterfalls. And it's actually a good place to hang out. Fully booked na yung overnight stay, so we had to find the place to spend the night. So kagabi nag-road trip kami, naghanap kami ng mga resorts, and we ended up here in Tagaytay. We got to this resort in Tagaytay. Napakamura lang, 2,700 for the 6 of us. Tapos may pool, and yan, maganda yung place, bago lang siya. So overall, maganda yung trip namin, field trip. And that's it for now, and until the next trip, bye!